Yo. This is Chris Blair. How you guys doing? Just enjoying a beer here. And I'm going to talk about the state of Facebook ads, e-com, and what we're seeing, and give you some advice on how you can get results and absolutely crush it. Make sure the video is working here. Yep, good. All right, beautiful. All right, so yep. So I just double checking my using my phone here to double check that I'm transmitting, and I'm actually using my iPad here to do the video. So you guys, to be honest, the title there is total clickbait. In fact, you guys, a lot of you are struggling with Facebook ads. A lot of you are struggling to make sales with e-com, okay? But this is no different than last year, no different than the year before, no different than the year before that, and no different than the year before that, okay? In fact, to be honest, I first made a video with this exact headline, "The e-com party is over," 4 years ago. Back in 2015, I made this exact same video, and I said the exact same headline. But every single year, people make a lot of money with e-com. So the party is not over. In fact, to be honest with you, I have some students, and even in my ads account, we're making sales at $5, $6, $7 a conversion, and making $20 to $25 profit on the front end. Okay, the party is not over at all. But every single year, there are sellers that get left behind, and they go into Facebook groups and they complain it's over. Oh my God, this whole thing is dead. Drop shipping's dead. Print on demand's dead. You can't make sales with Facebook. Oh, the fucking party's over. Oh, gloom. No. That is not the case at all. The party is not over at all. But what is happening? It happens every single year. There's this around summer and stuff, there's tons of sellers that get in, right, along with experienced sellers, and the market changes. The market is fluid. What sold and was hot selling products last year and the year before, although there's some consistent winners. For example, I've identified some certain products that are consistent winners every single year, and I put together a Christmas report on that, and I published that report 2 weeks ago. Those are products I've seen that sell year in and year out. That's why I call it 10 hot selling Christmas products. But that said, a lot of products will work really well at one point, and they will stop working. But yet the bad marketers won't adapt to that, right? They don't adapt to the changing market, right? I mean, and sometimes I really hate more than anything, and I see this happen all the time. And this is why my entire course in Mastermind, I focus mostly a lot on principles, and I give a lot of product examples. But anyone who's in my course in Mastermind knows I never promote or never talk about using gimmicks. Let me give an example of a gimmick that was working really, really well 6 months ago. Now it doesn't work at all. That, the one where it turns your website into a casino. That pop-up thing that says spin the wheel and you will make a lot of money. You'll get a discount, right? That thing worked for like 3 months. About 3 or 4 years ago, 3 years ago, there was a thing called Hurryfy, right? But I love the maker of Hurryfy, good friend of mine, nice guy. I'm not criticizing his product, but it was a countdown timer that every single Shopify seller started putting on their Shopify store, and that was a boom for a while, and that worked until the customers started seeing countdown timers on every single website. Okay, but so these gimmicks, they come and go, which is why I very rarely even mention them to my group, my course Mastermind, because my group and course Mastermind is based on core principles that will work and have been working since 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and beyond. For my Mastermind, it's very simple formula, guys. And now, there's a lot of details involved in this, but it's about choosing a niche, becoming the market master of that niche, setting up a good solid website, that's laid out well without a lot of gimmickry on it. I don't even use pop-ups. I shit you not, guys. I don't even use pop-ups. And the reason why is, how often does Amazon and all these other big brands use pop-ups? It makes your website look like a casino. Okay? It's cheesy as fuck. And it has a temporary positive effect, but it has a long-term negative effect. Right? All these pop-ups offering discounts, right? It makes a point where your customers start to think, oh, every time they visit your website, oh, I should get a discount, right? I'm not getting a discount, I'm not going to buy. It cheapens your brand. It actually has a negative long-term effect. Rather, as a short-term boom, but a negative long-term effect. So I don't use any pop-ups. I just make sure I have a nice, clean, crisp website with social proof all over it, trust badges, good buy buttons in the right spots, right? Stands out, site speed set up properly. The image of the product 100% above the fold. You guys want to know all the details of this? You need to get my course message. So a good site layout. So pick one niche, focus on it, become a market master. Good websites. Next is good offer, guys. Here's the thing. People have a wrong idea what Facebook ads are for. And I see this all the time. Guys, Facebook ads are not getting more expensive. In fact, I'm seeing cheaper CPMs now than I have in last year. I went back and checked. I'm getting cheaper CPMs now than I was last year. But 99% of the people in Shopify groups are complaining the CPMs are through the roof. And the reason why they're through the roof is their product offerings are tired and dead. Guys, a website is a frame of a car. Facebook ads or any advertising or any traffic source, whether that be SEO, Snapchat, Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Reddit ads, whatever it is, that is gasoline of the car. The engine, the thing that makes your business run is your product and offer. Period. Guys, actually, okay, so I'm working with this new private coaching student, and they're brand new and they're struggling, to be honest. Not all my coaching students get hits, get success to me. That's not the truth at all. And I'm not going to bullshit you. We've been working together for like 3 weeks, and so far it's not going well. So I said, look, we need to go back and redo the entire market research. And they said, okay. And they said, why? I said, look at your data. Your add to carts are horrible, right? Your product offerings, the ideas you're coming up with are not hitting the mark. They're completely off the mark. And by the way, this person who we're working with has had success with a dropship store in the past. They're trying to switch to POD. And they have a successful dropship store running right now. Okay, so I said, let's compare your dropship store to your POD store, okay? The dropship store is making sales, getting add to carts, and getting conversions, right? And I'm helping them drive traffic to that store as well. We're doing both at the same time. So the POD store is not doing well, but the dropship store is doing well. Okay, so I'm helping them scale that, right? But why is it that the dropship store is making sales, but the print-on-demand store is not making sales and not even getting added to carts? Seriously, not even getting added to carts in 3 weeks. It's because the product offerings and the ideas that they've come up with are completely off the mark. They're not tapping into what do the customers want. So I said, hey, look, let's do an exercise. Go on your competitors' fan pages, right? And let's pick out 20 memes. I want you to pick out 20 memes today that got thousands of shares and hundreds of comments. And then once you've gathered those 20 memes, let's go on hop on a call today and let's go over them again. Let's go over them one by one and let's analyze why those memes got reaction. Now, not all those meme ideas will be usable as products. There's a lot of memes that will not be usable as products. But that is not critical. What is critical is to understand why that particular meme got a reaction, got a hot reaction. And so when we did that, we went back on the call. The coaching student said, "Wow, man! Oh my God, this is so eye-opening." So now they're coming out with about 10 new product ideas. We're going to get them designed and made, and hopefully things turn around quickly. But the point is this: they're working with me. So, guys, and I've had students, and guys, think about this. I want to put this in perspective, right? Currently on Custom Cat, they have 15,000 stores with Custom Cat app installed. It's the #1 biggest supplier in the marketplace. Now, I just talked to Custom Cat. I said 10. Now it's actually 11. 11 of the top 20 sellers are my either private coaches or in my mastermind group. So I know my shit. I'm just being honest. I know my shit when it comes to POD and how to do this. So they work with me. The site setup is right. I know it's right. I'm teaching them the right traffic techniques. So the missing element here is the products and ideas they're coming up with are completely missing the mark. And by doing this exercise we did today, I think we're getting closer to helping them tap into their market and understand what will resonate with their customers, and hopefully the ideas will improve, and bang, hopefully some sales will come in. Okay, so and the reason I'm making this up, and I want to emphasize this point, it's not that the Facebook ads aren't working, it's not that the website not working, it's that this particular coaching client has an engine problem. Not on the dropship store, but on the POD store they do. And we're working to fix that, okay? So this is the #1 issue that all these sellers complaining that Facebook ads are not converting. They have an engine problem. They have an engine. They think they have a Facebook ads problem, and they're complaining about Facebook ads, and they're focusing all their energy on trying to improve their Facebook ads. Seriously, they are. I mean, I see people asking questions about custom conversions. Are using Optimize? What are you optimizing by? View content, purchase, and I'm not making any sales, so I changed my optimization from add to cart or purchase. Oh, should I be trying traffic ads, or should I be trying video ads, or fuck! You're not making sales because your products and offers fucking suck. Facebook ads are not your issue. They're not, and people are not recognizing that. And they're focused on the wrong things. And that is why you're not getting results. Because Facebook traffic has not gotten expensive. In fact, it's gotten cheaper. All right. Anyway, if you guys got value out of this and you truly want to know how to create awesome products that convert, set up a website that converts, and then also eventually when you get those two things right, learn the Facebook ad ninja tricks that I can teach you, you should join my course in Mastermind. It's ecomvantage.com/VIP. Okay, I'll put the link to the offer in the thread in the thread there. It's $1,000 a year, guys. $1,000 a year. Literally one good product idea could create you $1 million a year. It happens. So I mean, $1,000 is a joke, to be honest. It's a total joke. If you're interested in my private coaching, private message me, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm just going back to see if there's any comments. No comments. Good to see you, Ken. Good to see you, Chris. Guys, go back and watch that video. That was a very passionate video I just did, but the message is spot on. All right, guys. Cheers. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.